Why this Financial Innovation Symposium is Consumer Publications Uganda thought it prudent that would convene stakeholders, partners, and that which we are grateful that we are working closely with the Bank of Uganda, who is our main sponsor, and we have other banks and stakeholders, Centenary Bank, Housing Finance Bank, CMA, and others. KCB, we are so grateful and thankful to these partners for embracing the financial innovation and inclusion. This is what is going to bridge the gap for both the women, the youth, and the rural population, because these people need this information. Ugandans need information on finance and financial inclusion for all, having every Ugandan on board.
We're here today with the different stakeholders to talk about Uganda's journey in financial innovation. A lot has happened over the last few years in terms of financial innovations. The banking sector, the way it was in 1990s, 80s, has tremendously changed. It has gone through a number of changes. And these are the innovations we are talking about. It's not only here in Uganda, but globally. I remember after COVID, people were not moving, but they still had need for financial transactions, and these were happening. People were transacting in their homes. People were moving money in their homes without going to branches. So these are some of the financial innovations that we're talking about. So we need to take stock today, see where we're coming from, where we are now, and what we anticipate in the future in terms of the financial landscape. Yes, banks are moving from brick and mortar. We see a lot of digital banking. We see a lot of mobile money transactions. Actually, mobile money transactions are now in trillions in terms of value, but also volume. You're talking about over 8 billion in transaction volume in transactions. Using the digital channels that we have, if you go to a supermarket, you don't have to flash the cash. You can use your wallets. You can use your mobile phones to make payments. And of course, as we do that, the cost of printing money also goes up. It helps Bank of Uganda to cut down on its costs, because the more cash we use, the more costs that Bank of Uganda incurs. That money would have been put to different use in the economy. So we are here to encourage cashless economy. If we can reduce cash right, and Bank of Uganda is taking steps to ensure that those costs are lowered to a great extent. So we have so many of such initiatives to ensure that the cost of transaction actually goes down, and that will help many people, many Ugandans, to embrace these digital technologies in transacting, moving money across the border, across the country.